everyone, if you are interested in cryptocurrency and want to get more information about cryptocurrency project, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Shiba Wife. Before waste our time, I am starting the video. Shiba Wife, guys, this is amazing project. So we discuss more detail about this project, guys. You can check here chart, claim Shiba, you can buy now. You can see this project listed on Coin Market Cap, Findbox, Polygon, BSC contract, chart detail, edit detail, and next we discuss about Shiba Wife token is a playful and engaging meme token native to the Binance Smart Chain, embodying the spirit of humor, companionship, and community bonding inspired by the beloved Shiba Inu breed and the concept of loyalty in marriage. Shiba Wife Token aims to provide a platform where individuals can participate in decentralized finance while enjoying light-hearted memes and fostering a sense of camaraderie. And next, you can buy now. You can click here, then you can buy now. And next, we discuss tokenomics. You can check here contact address, total supply. You can check it, liquidity lot, contract renounce, tax is 3%. Guys, you can copy contact address and you can buy now. So I tell you how to buy. So guys, you can see this. Number one, create a wallet, download MetaMask, a crypto wallet in the form of a browser extension or trust wallet. After that, you will have to add the Binance Smart Chain to your network list and buy and send BNB to MetaMask, buy BNB on exchange, Binance, Kraken, Coinbase. And next you can check here, transfer the tokens to your MetaMask wallet address, BP20 addresses, start with a 0x, head on to PancakeSwap and swap for BW. Use this address and select BW SBW, and then you can set the slide pay tolerance to 3%, view SBW and hold swap PNB for SPW. Now you need to add SPW to your MetaMask or Trust Wallet to view your SPW. So guys, you can buy now through PancakeSwap. So we go to PancakeSwap.finance. So guys, you can check it, PancakeSwap.finance page is open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet: MetaMask, Binance Web3 wallet, Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet. So you can select any wallet, then you can select network. You can click here and select network: BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon. So I select BNB Smart Chain, then you can and you click here and enter your Shiba Wife token contact address. Then you can buy now, you can swap now, and next we back to the home page. So guys, you can see this and next we discuss roadmap. Roadmap phase 1, brand formation, Meta Dogi colony, website design and publishing, creation of social media accounts, preparation and publication of the white paper, preparing video promotion. Phase 2, launching ads on PooCoin and crypto network, preparation of Telegram and other social media content, launch view PancakeSwap, liquidity lock in official channel in Telegram, more than 1k members, 25% burn, listed on Coin Market Cap listed on CoinGecko, multiple different listings such as Coin Market Cap, etc. And next we discuss phase 3, token information and logo updates, NFT design and launch, collaboration with new project to distribute, SPW exchange, play to earn, game launch to be continued, SPW hit $3 price. And next guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter. So guys, you can check it, Shiba Wife official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and give information about this project and important announcement. And next we back to the home page. Next guys, we go to this project official Telegram group channel. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, it's take time. Then you can see this Shiba Wife CMC fast track listing. You can join this group. You can see these 408 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the home page. Next we discuss this project white paper. Guys, you can see this Shiba Wife white paper. You can see this hello wife. You can see this contact address. Next you can see this Shiba Wife is a play-to-earn game about the struggle of our character in three different worlds. It is possible to both have fun and win with the coins that the character collects in the game. The game cannot be played as a demo at level 1 to 30. Soon the full version will be completed and published. Next you can see Shiba Wife, lock liquidity, Shiba Wife rewards, verify contract. You can see this item. Next you can see this mainstream of Shiba coin marketing. You can see this marketing detail. Next you can see tokenomics, 85% liquidity, 10% burn, 10% team lock 6 months, no pre-sale, fair launch. Next you can see the tokenomics, buy 11%, total tax 5%, liquidity 5%, marketing 1%, reflection sale 11%, total tax 5%, liquidity 5%, marketing 1%, reflection. Next you can check here roadmap. You can see the who discussed this roadmap. You can see the it has 4 phase. And next you can see these NFTs result coming soon. You can see this all is the NFTs of this project. You can see this. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.